like you. Be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
Greetings to all the viewers. In this video, I will present you the instructions for installing the program absolutely for free. To get started, follow the link I posted in the description of the video and download the necessary archive. After downloading, unzip the archive and run the file following the installation instructions that appear on the screen. Please note that the installation process may take several minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. After the installation is complete, you can start using program and enjoy all its features absolutely for free. I hope this instruction was useful for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.